Welcome to General Tso's Soy Curls and Veggies. Let's get to cooking. The ingredient list is below this video. And here are the soy curls that I used to create this recipe. I found them on Amazon. There's a link below. They're dehydrated. So add the soy curls to the marinade. I used 1/2 bag for this recipe. Soak them for 10 to 15 minutes, stirring halfway through the soaking. First I add green onions and garlic, and I stir steam them until softened. I added a bit of tapioca flour to the soy curls before adding them to the pan, but then I remembered I wanted the soy curls to be grilled. So I removed them from the pan and Instant Pot to the rescue. I put them in the Instant Pot air fryer. Meanwhile, I started cooking the main vegetables for this dish. Yellow bell peppers, red bell peppers. Stir steam a bit to let them cook. And then I added broccoli. And for this particular dish, I used frozen broccoli. Frozen vegetables are just as good as fresh vegetables, and they are a top choice over canned vegetables anytime. I added some extra spices and no salt seasoning and garlic powder. Stir steam for a while. Now it's time to add the marinade. I added a thickening agent to the leftover marinade. In this case, I did use tapioca. Turn the heat down to low. Add the marinade. Stir a while. Then I added my air-fried soy curls. I have to admit that I was very surprised by the flavors in these dishes, at how simple and easy it was to prepare, and this is definitely a dish that can be enjoyed by everyone and anyone. I hope you try it, and please let me know what you think.